As a student of Project Learn, you're familiar with taking the TABE test, but maybe you're wondering why you take the TABE test multiple times. The TABE test is a test of adult basic education and includes math, reading, and language. Other tests, like the GED, have a specific score required to pass, and you either make it or you don't. The TABE test is different because it shows progress, so the goal isn't to pass, but to show how much you've improved. Your test scores show your progress over time. Every 40 hours of class time, or every 90 days, take the TABE test. Try your best each time, then your instructor can use these scores to help determine how close you are to your learning goals. If your goal is to take the GED test in order to go to college, your TABE scores are one way to determine if you're ready. Your score printout consists of several scores and values. We'll discuss the ones that mean the most to you as a student. First is the level and form. There are 4 levels that Project Learn uses: E, M, D, and A being the highest. There are 2 forms or versions. These are 9 and 10. That's why the test is called the TABE 9 and 10. The purpose of having 2 versions is so that you don't see the same questions if you're still testing at the same level. So on your score printout, you'll see a level and a form. Like here, we see that the reading level is A and the form is 10. Notice that the computer uses a 0 to show form 10. The next column show you the number correct and the number attempted. Unlike the quizzes and tests you probably took in school, a perfect score is not the goal of the TABE. Because this test is of progress, it's appropriate to miss some questions. This means that the test is narrowed down where your skill level is. If you do get a perfect score, then most likely you're ready for a higher level test. Lastly, take a look at your scale score. This is the score that Project Learn uses to determine your class placement. This score corresponds with your functioning level. At Project Learn, levels 1 and 2 are literacy classes, levels 3 and 4 are pre-GED classes, and levels 5 and 6 are GED ready classes. Remember that the TABE is a snapshot of your progress. Try your hardest on every test in order to show a true representation of your ability. That way, you and your instructor can continue to set learning goals and work toward them.